Hey Chad, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. And earlier I had the privilege of speaking with Linda, who thought you'd be interested in this video I'm about to show you on ways to improve your online presence and get more of those organic leads. So here we are on your website. It looks like you have a nice website. Looks like you have separate pages for each of your services, which are great. Um, and if you service multiple service areas, those are going to need their own pages as well. Every location that you service that has search volume for your services in those areas need their own pages. So let's see. Okay. A decent looking website. Testimonials are always a plus. Okay. Blogs are always good. Content is key. So, let's see. Those don't look like their own pages. So to rank a website, content is key. Google wants to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, going after those buyer intent keywords. So that breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. And your website needs to have more content than your top competitors. So you need to focus on your location-based buyer intent keywords, the keywords that people are actively searching for when it comes to your services. They might not know the name of the company, but they know the service that they need. And so those are the keywords you need to be focused on every one of your pages. Google has robots that index every single one of these pages, pulling your content and your keywords so that you can be indexed for those keywords, and that Google can put you in front of your customers when they are searching for those key terms. One of your top competitors is Restore Pro Reconstruction. They also have separate pages and a different location and service page for each of those locations. So they definitely have more pages. They have a nice looking website. Looks like they're trying to go after the more relevant keywords, which is what you want to do. Looks like they have a little bit more content than you guys. So you definitely are going to need more content and to work on those additional pages and keyword strategies. This is Ahrefs. It's a program we use to analyze how your website performs. And as you can see, your website has a rating of a 7 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means that Google does not have much trust in your website. And that is 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. So the fact that you have over 1,740 backlinks and only have a rank of a 7 tells us that a lot of these backlinks are no follows or poor quality spammy backlinks that are actually hurting your score. So you need to go out and disavow any bad links and then go and get good, high quality links and more of those than your competition. It looks like majority, if not all backlinks are being pushed to the homepage. While that might help your homepage, depending on if the keywords are available, but it doesn't help your service pages or help you to be found in those service areas. So that's going to be important. You're currently being indexed for 131 keywords, And you're currently seeing, on average, 248 people to your website per month. When we look at your competitor, they have a rank of a 21 with over 2,000 backlinks. And so you're going to need more backlinks and then higher quality. Because they have more pages, they're able to be found for over 787 keywords, and they're getting organic traffic of over 766 people to their website each and every month. So you can see there's quite a bit of traffic that you're missing out on. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is, the more authority it's going to give you and the bigger boost in the rankings. And then you want to make sure that they are do follows instead of no follows, because do follows will actually share the power of those high ranking sites and help you to rank even faster. And then one last note is that these backlinks are closely tied to your keywords. So you need to make sure that you have backlinks for the keywords for each of your pages so that you can rank for them. Then one last thing to mention is the Google Map Pack or Google My Business pages here. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 because 30% of people come directly to the maps and don't go any further. The other 70% go to your website. But this is a highly competitive spot, and so your goal should be to be in the top 3 for each of your service areas and keywords you're ranking for. And the biggest factor in making that happen are citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, etc. So you need a lot more than your top competitors. And when you follow these tips I've provided you today, your website really can become number 1 across Google in each of your service areas for each of your keywords. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.